What's going on YouTube? Mollying that back at you with the next part in the Elvira Macabre Mobile build. So as you can see, primer is out. So primer of choice for the most part for me right now is the Tamiya Surface Primer. Just as simple, quick, easy to go down. One thing I don't like about it is by it being an aerosol, it's really hard to kind of control the flow. So yeah, I'm gonna probably take, and once I get the engine painted up, grab out my Mr. Hobby, Mr. Surfacer stuff, and try that out, give that a try on the motor, see how that goes and stuff like that. But I know that this stuff works really pretty well, so just go ahead and I use that on this. So got the body finished up. So as you can see, got the louvers, I believe they're called, all cut back in here at the top. So yeah, obviously this side didn't come out as well as what I would have hoped. I might try to sand down just a little bit right through there. Obviously going to give this a day or so to dry before ever coming near it with any sort of sandpaper, but outside of that, it's in really nice shape. All of the removal of the built-in or the molded-in lines came out really well. Also really nice with the panel line. If I can get this to lock in. Let's see. So, let me see. Apologize, trying to get this autofocus to lock in and just is not wanting to. So, move that back out just a little bit. In either case, you can see the scribed lines here on the rear of the vehicle. There we go, finally locked in. So, again, perfect, no, but once this gets into black, definitely hide it a little bit better than the gray will. Still just getting kind of used to describing, rescribing in panel lines and stuff like that, but overall, actually pretty happy with how this one came out, especially like here on the front. It's a really nice clean line, and same with around here on the top, which is obviously going to be the most noticeable area with these with the curved lines here on both sides. So happy with that. Also got the hood painted. Just got this done just literally right before filming started here, so I'm trying to be extra cautious with this. Got the inside and outside sprayed. Did do a little bit of manipulation work with this. Excuse the bike rolling by outside. Just to get it to set a little bit better. Basically took and physically just bent it down, held it a few moments to allow the plastic to just kind of form into the new shape. Once I did that, it got to where the seating onto the front was absolutely beautiful. So next video you should be able to see that kind of in situ. Got the doors here, so you can see a little bit of work I'm going to probably do on this door, just to kind of clean up that where that door handle is a little bit better. But overall, happy with how that looks. In general, I should say, happy with how it looks. Same with this side. Looks really pretty nice. While I had the primer out, went ahead and grabbed the front seats, and also I'll grab the tub here in just a moment. We got those painted in just again primer color. Probably we'll go ahead and sand it, and then because I'm going to be doing a lot more layers, I'm probably not even going to mess with second coat of primer on these. I'll just come in with actual paint, start getting the leopard print or cheetah print down, whichever it was that she had. I'm not up on my furs. So in either case, let me get these slid up out of the way so they don't get bumped and messed up. Like I said, let those sit for another day or so. And then on top of that, went ahead and got, again, the tub here, which has the seat. I will have to snip this section out of the middle, these two here, before I go through and finish it on up. But I'll probably keep it in just while I go through and do all of the leopard printing and things like that. Again, did zero amount of cleanup in advance. Just wanted to kind of see how it would look before coming in with it. And so there's a few things, like I'm going to go ahead and probably remove both of the window roll downs handles here, as I'll be replacing those from the MRM set. Went ahead and also got the chassis done. The console is molded into the base, which is kind of a weird thing, but works. So got that. Kind of gotta be careful there, the bottom of it. And then got the figure primed up. Sink mark wasn't fully filled. In fact, I can see it already. It's not 100% filled again. So just slowly building up the layers to fill in that sink mark. But yeah, overall looking pretty good. Had to do a little bit of sanding. Probably will need to do a little bit of sanding back here, get rid of some of the bumps there on the figure. But overall, again, just progressing along. Next step is going to be building the engine, getting that all completed and things like that. But we're definitely moving right along with this build. So again, questions, comments, definitely post them down below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.